In my previous video, I told you guys that the market has shifted bearish, and that is why I decided to short uh, this ETH. Okay, actually, I'm out of the trade because I set a TP, and automatically the TP has been triggered. All right, so now uh, let's look for a re-entry. Okay, so I told you guys don't look for buy right now. All you just have to do is to look for uh, an opportunity to sell. So now, if we are going to re-enter this trade, are we going to just re-enter now, just like that? No, we have to look for uh, a place and you know area of interest or point of interest that we know that okay, this price can actually come back to, and then we ride along with the wave, okay, or the trend. So in my other video, which I posted, was it 2 or 3 days ago, where I shared with you guys, you know, when to buy and sell as a day trader, or when to enter and exit as a day trader. If you haven't watched that video, you really need to watch the video right now. Okay, so if you want to be selling, you sell at the top, okay, from the premium zone, all right, the supply zone. And if you want to buy, you buy from the bottom, the demand zone, all right. So once you know that you don't have any problem, you won't be able to jump and enter trade anyhow. With that knowledge alone, like, the sky is just the starting point. You having that knowledge alone, all right. So now, if I'm to look for a point of interest where I possibly think the price can come to, uh it should be around here. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, I have the FVG here. That's the fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. I'm going to mark it out. And we have the supply zone here. Okay, so we have a supply zone here. So the market at the price can come to, you know, the can come to this FVG and start going back, or it can touch the what's it called, the supply zone, and then start falling back. So let me quickly mark the FVG. This is right here, the gap between these two candles, this and this, as the FVG, the fair value gap. All right. Why the supply area, or you can call it other block, whatever, this is it at the top right here. Okay, so the price is expected to come to any of this area. Okay, and once it gets to this area, okay, the best thing is actually to set, what's the code, to set an alert, add alert. So once the price comes to this area, we monitor, okay, and look at the price action. Okay, so the price action is actually what is going to determine when we enter the trade. Okay, so with the price action, if we still see that, the sellers are still in control, we enter. Okay, but immediately we discover that sellers are no longer in control, all right, and the control has been shifted to the buyers, the buyers. Okay, we won't short, like we are not going to take a sell. All right, so that just it, guys. So let me use this short tool. So if we are to enter, so So we enter around here. Okay, so with this we can possibly make like 3x. Okay, like this is like if you are risking, let's say $1, you can make $3.6 with this. If you are risking $100, you can make $360 with this. If you are risking $1,000, you can make $3,600 with this. If the price gets here and you short from this area down to this area, if the price touches this area, you make that profit. So then another thing is that I discovered that since the price is actually forming a kind of reaction here, there is actually a demand zone here. So, and as you can see, like there's a liquidity here, all right, and this liquidity has been taken out. It has been taken out. So let's just keep observing. Let's just keep watching. Let's just keep waiting. Okay, while we wait, we observe. All right. So don't forget, waiting, observing, everything is still part of trading. Okay, it's still part of what? It's still part of trading. All right. Then another thing is that when you are so sure, okay, like I learned the lesson now, because let's assume I didn't actually set my take profit, but that's actually normal thing to do. Okay, but let's assume I didn't set take profit. Okay, do you know that by now, okay, that my $1, like I will have made more than $5 profit. Yes, I will have made more than $5 profit. Let me show you guys I'm talking about. Okay, so I actually entered around this area. So my stop loss was, yeah, above here. Okay, and the price got to this area. Okay, how is it showing me? Okay, okay, so see, this is like uh let's say with $10, okay, I will have been $4 profit by now. All right, with this, like just trying to compare uh the profit I would have made now with, what I had. All right, but it's part of the game. All right, it's part of the game. So there's no way, you would definitely have to leave some money, some profit on the table. Okay, so there's always another opportunity. And that opportunity now is for us to wait and see where the price is coming back to. All right, we've already marked the area, the zone where we feel the price will definitely come back to. Okay, so FVG and what's it called? Uh, the other block right here. Okay, this is the other block. This is the FVG, fair value gap. Okay, so from there we can decide what to do. All right, so that's just it, guys. So don't forget, for now the market is bearish, and you should only look for sales. Okay, don't take buys. Don't buy right now. All right, except if the market shift bullish. Okay, but for now it's still bearish, and even if the market is going to shift bullish, okay, it's we definitely take these highs. Okay, to take out these highs. So once you take out this ahead, we know that the market has shifted bullish. Then we'll start looking for buys. All right, that's just it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.